What's up guys, your boy Umar. Today we'll be talking about Beagle Cake token. This one is a very interesting platform and a coin you might not want to miss, so make sure you watch all the way to the end, like this video, share with a friend, grab some popcorn because let's get started. We're gonna pop over to their Twitter. We'll go through the website and get a good understanding because guys, they're doing a ton of marketing promotions. They got a ton of celebrity influencers and this project could potentially blow. So if you're looking for that next 10x, 100x, 1000x coin, this potentially could be it. But remember, like always, not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, your own due diligence before investing in any of these projects we cover on the channel. So without any further ado, let's hop over to Twitter and take a look. So Beagle Cake is the first token on the Binance Smart Chain to launch an NFT marketplace based on the Cake token. We know Cake, we've did staking videos with Cake. There's a lot of passive income opportunities, but now there's a way you could earn Cake as well. So it's an interesting platform. We see they have over 18,000 followers, so decent following and a decent community as well. And we pop over to the Telegram real quick just to see how big the community is, and we see over 13,000 members. So we already see it's a pretty big community, and it's only going to grow with some time and with these promotions. And pre-sale is just days away, guys. Pre-sale will start October 15th at 3 p.m. UTC. All right, and then they have important links on their Twitter as well, which you can take a look at, and I'll have some of the links in the description below for the convenience of the viewers. And hey, shout out to Redis. Looks like Redis is talking about this coin too. Another crypto YouTuber talking about this coin, and we see this one on Coin Hunt. Okay, Coin Hunt, obviously a big platform, 33,000 followers, or 33,000 followers, 33.6. Giving us a little shout out to Beagle Cake. It's building its cake-based NFT platform with lotteries and cake distribution to Beagle Cake through a 7% transaction fee distribution. Pre-sale coming October 15th, 1 p.m. UTC. Discover more here with their website. We see BSC News covering it as well with amazing amount of following, right? 252,000 followers, right? That's obviously a large audience, and it looks like they have their whole article here. Beagle Cake, first cake-based reflectionary token on the NFT marketplace and NFC marketplace, I should say. All right, we see again BSC Daily, only 2 days for the exciting pre-sale, so we see a lot of promotion around this one, guys, and we see the coins that get promoted tend to pop off, so you may want to grab a bag. And there's other celebrity influencers as well, like the Red Man with over 727,000 followers, and he has a little video shouting out this coin.
Man is in the building. You already know. Robert, what's good, bro? Hey, PSA announcement, so everybody listen up. Crypto, you in the cryptocurrency. Beagle Cake has a big marketing plan coming soon. Yes, it will be the first NFT marketplace to pay with Cake tokens. You know what Cake tokens is? Huh? You know what Cake tokens is, right? Yo, it'll be the first marketplace to pay with Cake tokens. You can also earn Cake just by holding Beagle Cake. More at beaglecake.io. That's beaglecake.io for those who can't spell beat.
All right, so we see a lot of celebrity influencers talking about this coin. We see Redman talking about it, and just overall we see strong, community base. We see a lot of activity and a lot of news you could find here. Looks like another influencer talking about Beagle Cake. There's just a ton of influencers and celebrities talking about it, and the more awareness it gets out, the more attention it'll get. So that being said, let's pop over to the website so we can actually get a solid understanding of this project. We see coming soon, 1 day away, only 8 hours and 34 minutes at the time of filming this video. It might change It might change by the time this video is posted, but again, link will be in the description below. And the team actually sent me some notes here as well. So they have a huge marketing campaign that will be coming up, and the project is set to grow exponentially. And more importantly, the presale starts on the 15th of October at 13 UTC. Token presale contribution are 30% cheaper than for the public launch, which will be on PancakeSwap after the presale. So guys, if you want to get that 30% discount, it only makes sense that you buy now. So that's what the team wanted to mention. And let's hop back over to the website to get the understanding of the coin. So Beagle Cake, a decentralized meme token for PancakeSwap fans worldwide. Beagle token is a token deployed on the Binance Smart Chain that rewards holders in Cake, providing a source of passive income for our investors. Beagle Cake rewards holders automatically to their wallet in the form of Cake rather than more tokens. RFI static rewards incentivizes investors for holding tokens, which leads to a vibrant ecosystem for all holders. Usually, tokens reward their holders with more of the project's tokens. By offering Cake as a reward, our holders receive a token with a proven steady growth while also holding a share of Beagle. We know a lot of tokens, like for example SafeMoon, where they redistribute their own token. It's been a popular strategy in the crypto realm, but and we've seen it with other projects as well, they reward you with like a stable coin. The reason for that is so you have a solid reward system that's growing either in a stable coin, or in this sense we're getting Cake, plus you get to hold their coin. So that's incentive for people to hold it, especially if you're a Cake fan, right? They do have a how to buy tab, guys. It's very simple. We covered this in the past before, but they have a pre-sale guide, and it's, if you're buying on PancakeSwap, we made a ton of videos in the past. class. If you want to see that, make sure you comment below. But they do have this how to buy tab here as well, and this step-by-step guide. Okay, so features 7% redistribution in cake. 7% of every buy/sell is redistributed back to all holders, and hold Beagle cake tokens to earn cake. A minimum of 200,000 tokens is required in order to receive the rewards. So rewards paid automatically. For the first time ever, you don't need to claim your earned cake. It's automatically sent to your wallet. Just add the cake token address in your wallet and you're set. 3% liquidity. So it looks like 3% will be going to the liquidity pool. So 3% tax on each transaction set aside to automatically generate liquidity inside of PancakeSwap liquidity pools. 50-50 value of tokens and BNB is added. This function solidifies the Beagle cake's future. And then 1% selfie. So if you sell, you get that additional 1% taxation, obviously to prevent dumping. An extra 1% fee is applied to all sales. This will allow to reduce swing trading and break whale control. And then secured by design. Initial liquidity provided is locked in DXL for more than 1 year, fully audited by Tech Rate. And then massive marketing plan. 5% of each transaction is allocated to marketing in cake. Swap to cake in real time to avoid dumps. This allows us to fuel our most ambiguous projects in service of further rewarding our community. Okay, so I like that. That's different. How 5% of each transaction is allocated to marketing in cake, so they won't be dumping their own coin. So sometimes they'll get allocated. Some projects will have an allocation in their own token, and they have to sell their token in order to pay their developers or marketing or whatever that may be. And that's obviously going to take away from the floor price. Where this is getting cake, so it won't affect the price. So that's awesome. We have a roadmap here as well. Phase 1, concept design and development, launch of Beagle D app, white paper, large-scale marketing, launch of pre-sale, marketing efforts continued. Phase 2, PancakeSwap and exchange listings, ongoing large-scale marketing, coin market cap and CoinGecko listings, new partnerships, more exchange listings, Beagle decentralized exchange. Phase 3, Beagle DX launches, ongoing large-scale marketing, Beagle ecosystem, Beagle lottery, Beagle partnerships. And then Phase 4, Beagle NFT marketplace, Beagle incubator, and more partnerships. So we see a solid map in place, some frequently asked questions if you want to go through that, and then listing and partnerships. So DEX tools, PancakeSwap, BSC Scan, TechRate, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, BSC Daily, BSC News, BSC Times, CoinHunt, LBank, and DX Sale. All right. So we see the project has some solid partnerships. They have a solid roadmap, some solid features. And again, with the marketing campaigns they have, guys, and with the influencers they have talking about this coin, I only really see upside for this. And the amount of potential it has, the amount of awareness it'll get, we could probably see this coin have a crazy rally. Now, like always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so I advise you to do your own research and your own due diligence. But I definitely recommend taking a look at this project, as this one could be set to blow. Maybe you might want to grab a bag for the pre-sale and just watch this grow. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Shout out to the community, shout out to all the Beagle cake holders, and let's see where this token goes. And we might have to come back and review it again. That's basically for this video, folks. If you enjoy content like this, do make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Only invest the money you're willing to lose. Peace.